Hey everybody, it's Blake from Outdoor Inspirations. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we kind of have a special episode for you. So our friend Paul over from Raleigh Crushr wanted to show off his truck and show what his company does. And it's actually a service that we use, and it's actually really cool. So we're gonna go over and check it out. So hope you guys enjoy.
Hey, I'm Paul with Crushr Raleigh. We're here today to crush some trash in this dumpster. I'm gonna help some folks here save money. Over here is our trucks, the Crushr. Pretty simple concept. We got a big steel drum with teeth on it. We go into the trash, it crushes it up, presses the air out. You're able to utilize the dumpster much better, utilize the space more, and folks save money on their dumpster costs.
Yeah, so you can see here, I mean, the dumpster's pretty dang full, and we're just gonna crush it down and see how far it can go down. It should go down to about a quarter of the dumpster itself, so let's get crushing. So as you guys can see, I mean, it was completely overflowing with boxes and all this other stuff when we got here. And now look at it. I mean, it's completely compacted down.
So that was a crush. It's that simple. See in the video, you can see how that dumpster was pretty much full, and at the end of it, it's about 30% full now. It's a simple service. We set folks up on a schedule. We have a route that we run. If the dumpster's less than 90% full, we don't crush. There's no charge. And we also run as needed as well. You know, most of your construction sites or some folks that have busier times of the year, we set them up where they can call as needed. If a schedule doesn't work for them, we're flexible. And it's a simple service. So we want to keep how we serve our customers simple as well. My name is Paul with Raleigh Crushr, and we're at RaleighCrushr.com. You see our number back there is 919-335-5767.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate Paul letting us come out here and film a video for him. If you guys are in the Raleigh area and you have a dumpster that needs crushing, make sure you reach out to Paul, RaleighCrushr.com. He's an awesome guy. We use the surface too, so I mean, we wouldn't tell you guys to use something that we don't use ourselves, and it works and it saves us money. So it's definitely something you should look out for. Crushr's actually a franchise as well, so if you're not in the Raleigh area, there may be a Crushr that is in your area. So just look out for that. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you leave a like on this video and subscribe to our channel. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We're almost there. We're looking to do a giveaway once we get there. So make sure you subscribe and you can be a part of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.